Hey guys, this is for the Insta360 camera OneX2 customer service team, especially directed for Zack. Zack, just want to let you know, thank you very much for sending me the replacement part. This here is the old part that was broken. Thank you so much, Zack. Let me try to get this zoom focus here. So that's the old part right there. It was amazing because it was plug and play. Pull it out, push it back in. That's the broken one. And as you can see, the newly one that you sent me is nicely over here. So now we don't have that little open anymore. And as you can see right there, perfect this time. Well, it was always perfect. The camera was always perfect. But anyway, I am very, very happy. Thank you so much, Zach, for sending me the replacement. And oh gosh, you guys are the best. So I'll tell you guys that, okay? Anyway, this is the camera, and now I'm fully happy that it's fixed. So, guys, thank you so much for everything. And I'm just gonna start rooting on and enjoy my camera.